Hello and welcome to Digit. In this video we will be unboxing the Ant Esports Wente 220 microphone. On the front of the box we have an image of the microphone right in the middle. On the bottom we have the model name, and below that we can see that it is a premium microphone for recording and streaming. It also has multicolor illumination. On the left hand side of the box we have a close-up image of the mic, and over here we have a few of the salient features, which include a quick mute button. The pattern of the microphone is the cardioid polar pattern. It captures all the details. It has a shock resistant design, and it has a USB Type-C cable interface. On the right hand side of the box we simply have some branding. Same on the top. There is nothing on the bottom. On the back we have a little description over here. Over here we have the technical specifications. Connectivity, as we already know, is USB to Type-C cable. Cable length is 2 meters. Pointing feature is cardioid polar pattern. The power supply is 5 volts. Microphone type is live. In terms of compatibility, it is compatible with mobile phones and computers. The mic sensitivity is 45 decibels with a variance of plus or minus 3 decibels. Equivalent noise level is 66 decibels. Dynamic range is 88 decibels and signal to noise ratio is 85 decibels. Over here we have some importing and manufacturing information, and over here we have all the details to get in touch with the customer care. That's about it in terms of what is on the outside of the package, so let's get into it now. On the inside we get some literature in the form of a welcome note from the brand. Next is the warranty cum instruction manual. Over here we have the warranty information, and you can fill this out to register for the warranty, but we recommend that you consult the Amazon product page for all the relevant information regarding the warranty first. And over here we have the user manual side. We recommend that you read through this thoroughly before you start using the microphone as well. Next up is the power supply cable, and as we know from the box, it has a USB Type-A interface on one end and a USB Type-C interface on the other, and it's 2 meters long. Coming to the mic itself, we can see that it has a matte black color theme that runs across all the surfaces of the mic. Up top is the Ant Esports branding. Over here we have a metallic grill. Over here we have a touch sensitive mute button, and on the bottom we have the power supply port, USB Type-C and 3.5 mm headphone jack. On this side we have the various buttons to control the mic. We have a V-Ray button up top, and below that we have 3 knobs that control the LEDs, the mic's volume and echo. Coming to the base, we can see that it has quite a hefty base and makes it a really sturdy device. The mic can also be adjusted thanks to these bits right here. On the bottom of the base we have an anti-skid pad, and there is also a sticker on it with some information that we have already gone through when we were reading off the box. So let's get started with using this microphone. To get started, all we need is a compatible device. In this case we will be using a Windows laptop. This microphone has a plug and play compatibility feature, which means that it will detect and install the drivers automatically, and once connected to a computing device it is ready to use right after the connection. Here we can see that the LED lights have started on the microphone. Currently it is in the green color theme, and we can change that with the buttons. So this was the unboxing of the Ant Esports Wente 220 microphone. Thank you for watching, and we'll see you in the next one.